Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we make managing remote teams way easier. Today, we're diving into something that'll save your finance team hours every week: Deel's accounting integrations. If you're tired of manually syncing invoices or payroll data, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect Deel with your favorite accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and Netsuite. Are you ready to get rewarded? Click the link in the description and claim your $500 sponsorship today. It's fast, easy, and completely free. Don't miss this opportunity. Let's be honest, payroll is messy. You've got contractors in 5 countries, invoices piling up, and your accountant is begging you for consistent data formats. Without integration, you're stuck exporting CSVs, chasing receipts, and manually matching payments. That's time wasted and errors waiting to happen. All right, let's break it down step by step. 1. Go your Deel dashboard. Head to Settings, Integrations, and choose your accounting tool. Here's why this matters. No more spreadsheet chaos, faster month-end closings, real-time financial visibility, and, my favorite, less room for human error. Whether you're managing one freelancer or a global team of 500, Deel keeps everything compliant, consistent, and connected. Smile. And that's it, your quick Deel guide to accounting integrations. If this saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe for more Deel hacks, and drop a comment if you want a walkthrough for ERP integrations next. Until next time, keep your teams global, your books clean, and your workflow Deel-powered.